Excuse me?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No! For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
I just peed myself.
Okay, put your hands behind your
Wait,
back.
I just peed.
No!
No dia 22 de novembro de 2024, policiais do departamento de Veja, no Novo México, foram chamados até um bar local após um relato de um incidente envolvendo uma cliente. De acordo com a segurança do estabelecimento, a mulher estava agitada, causando confusão e se recusou a sair do local quando solicitada. No meio da confusão, a suspeita deu um tapa no rosto da segurança e a situação escalou rapidamente, exigindo a intervenção da polícia.
Hey, come here. Hey, our teacher police department, come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Okay, I'm scared.
2-4 Central.
Why?
I
Why?
got this female over here. She's in the alley of
Hold
the
on,
apples.
I just peed myself.
Okay.
I'm scared. Why? I just came from over there.
Okay, well, okay, you had just left there, right?
No, I didn't.
Okay.
You just slapped me, so don't lie.
I did not just stop you.
Yeah. You just
Come here,
slapped me.
Excuse me?
Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
No! For what?
Put your hands behind your back.
I just peed myself.
Okay, put your hands behind
Wait,
your back.
I just peed.
No, we're
I
done
just
at that.
peed over there.
We're done with that. We're done.
Oh, whoa,
We're done.
no. For what?
We're done.
I'm peeing.
No, I don't care.
I know
You can pee all you want.
What the I'm peeing. Hold on.
Oh, you keep
I'm
on
scared.
peeing.
What the I'm coming from my friend's house. What
Okay.
What the
Sit up.
I'm not.
Sit up.
You went and changed. Your shirt's inside your shirt. You slapped me.
What the
You out.
Hold on.
No, hold on.
Let me up. Please let me go to the restroom.
Yeah, you're going in
Y'all
jail.
can,
You already did.
What?
You already did. You said
What?
you were already peeing.
I peed because I'm scared. I was just walking.
Okay. I told you to stop. Did
I was just walking.
Did I not tell you to stop?
What? For what though?
Did I not tell you to stop?
This is a bad neighborhood.
Okay.
Please let me
Well,
up.
I told you, our teacher police department, come here.
No shit. For what?
You're under arrest. How about that? Stand up. I'm done listening. God dang, I hate it when people keep saying for what, for what. You know exactly for what.
This is some interesting shit.
Okay.
What?
Stop.
Get in there.
Listen to me. Hey.
Get in.
What the
Get in.
What?
Hey.
Yelling at me.
Get
Hey.
in.
This is that shit on TikTok
Get
and
on.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Get
Do it. You
on.
guys.
Hey.
Are you recording?
Listen to me.
Yes.
So for
Sorry,
what?
listen to
You're
me.
under arrest.
For what?
Listen to me. Okay.
For what?
Okay. Listen. Stop screaming.
You're scared.
Okay.
I just
Listen to
peed
me.
my pants.
Listen to me.
And you're yelling at me.
Listen to me.
No. This
Listen to me.
guy's pretty.
Listen
Get
to me.
away with
That's assault.
Hey.
That's another
He
charge.
stopped.
Get up. Hold
He
on.
stopped on my
No,
bike.
you're done.
He
You're
stopped.
done. You're done. Get in the car.
What?
Get in the car.
For what?
Battery.
What did I do?
Battery.
Battery
And,
on what?
and now you're getting resisting.
I didn't do
And now you're
anything.
getting resisting.
I didn't do anything.
You ran from me.
You
What?
kicked me.
You kicked it,
I was
officer.
walking through the neighborhood.
No, you
I don't
weren't.
care.
What the are you talking about?
What's your name?
What the are you
What's
talking
your name?
about? Give me
Listen to
Leave
me.
me alone.
What's your name?
You have no right.
What's your name?
You have no right.
What's your name?
I won't give you my name.
That's fine.
That's
Hey,
fine.
I
that's
was
all right.
walking.
That's
What
good.
the are you talking
That's
about?
concealing identity. That's good. Conceal your identity. That's good.
I will. I need a lawyer.
Okay.
You guys just me up for no reason.
Okay.
You scared. Ow,
Sit down.
stop. You're hurting
No.
me.
Oh, it's done.
You're
Put your hands
hurting
behind
me.
your
I
back.
didn't pee myself.
Okay, that's fine.
Yes, stop.
No.
Leave me alone. You did that
Put your
officer. Hey, what's that white guy's name? He just got my foot. He
Get your
just
car in the
stopped.
car.
He stomped
Stop.
my foot. Get that on your recording. What's his badge number?
He's taking you to jail.
What is his badge number?
Hey, he's
What's
taking you to
yours?
jail.
You
Close.
just slammed my door. You keep slamming my feet
All right, you keep
in
on
the
putting
door.
your feet.
He keeps slamming my feet in
Okay.
the door.
Okay.
What's his badge? Villain. See, villain. What's your badge? What is your name?
Get
See?
your foot in.
Why are you beating me? I don't know what the you're doing to me.
Listen.
You just stomped me for no reason.
You kicked me
What's
first.
your badge number? You have to give me your badge numbers.
No, we don't.
Both of you.
No, we don't.
Yes, you do.
No,
Give
we
me
don't.
it.
You'll
I'm
get
asking
all
for a
the-
lawyer.
Hey, you'll
I
get
don't
all
know
the
what this is
information at the jail.
happening. What's
You'll get all the
happening?
information at the jail.
No, you just stopped me.
You're
You
under
guys-
arrest.
Where's
How
your-
about that?
Where's your cameras? I didn't do anything. Oh. What's happening? I was just walking.
No, you weren't.
Okay, I don't know. She wouldn't give me her information.
Her name is Shannon. That's all I know. I just know her name is Shannon.
Shannon.
I don't have one.
724 Central.
You kicked me first.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
How? I was walking.
No, you weren't.
Shoved me.
We're gonna have one female under arrest for battery. First name Shannon, unknown. Last name, she would not give us her name.
What the fuck? I was just walking from
No, you weren't. Good Lord, it's a happy Friday.
I'll meet you over there.
Thank you.
Please.
7-Eleven.
How did you do that to me?
Why'd you kick me?
I didn't kick you.
Yes, you did.
I was running because I don't know why you guys were after me. You kicked me inside of your car.
No, you kicked me.
Yes, you did. And if your camera was recording, you know that.
Yeah, and you also know you
wasn't
kicked me.
asking for this shit. What the happening? I'm so freaking out. What the fuck? Please. Please, what's happening?
Are you gonna stop so I can explain?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes. But I don't know what happened. Please. I don't know what happened. I think I'm the wrong. Please.
Are you done so I can explain?
Yes, sir.
First of all, you're involved in an altercation inside of Los Agaves.
No. I'm not. I promise you.
But you
I
were.
didn't have my friends around the corner. There were some people that stole my shit. I promise you. I was hanging with a friend that I thought was safe. They stole everything in hand. I was trying to get away. What you just caught was me finally getting away from the house where I was at.
You were at
I
Los
don't know what
Agaves.
happened. I really don't know what just happened.
You were at Los Agaves.
No. So when am I being arrested?
Right now, battery.
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 For
For
on
the-
who? On who? Can you please tell me?
On that other person that you had that fight with over at Los Agaves.
Hey.
Say that one more
I
time.
haven't been to Los Agaves. Hey. I haven't
Shannon,
been to
that's
Los
Santa Martina. She's
Agaves.
off. Class David negative. She's in your ROC.
Thank you.
Hey.
But,
I haven't been to Los Agaves. I'm being set up. What the fuck?
alright, well,
I'm scared. I'm a family. Don't do this to me.
right?
I'm not this person.
Okay.
Oh, the baby, please.
11 Central.
Please.
I'll be out of detention. 802, can you open
Oh my
up?
God, what's happening? This is crazy. Drug test me. Please
What?
drug test me. I'm not this person.
7-Eleven, copy
You
2133.
have the wrong person, please. Please.
There's nothing to drug test you for.
You're sitting in a parking lot that I don't even know where I'm at. Get me the out. You guys just picked out some random person.
No.
Stop it! Please get me out.
Can you open up Eastside Teleport? We're coming in with one female. Thank you. 11 to 24, she opened up.
Sir,
What?
I don't want to disrespect you, but this is your car and I'm soaked in pee.
Alright, I'm gonna get you out in 30 seconds. Hold on.
Sorry. I don't mean for all this chaos. I'll get out, but I am soaked. And I know you have to clean this up and I don't want to.
What?
I'm sorry.
I know you are. Step out.
Hey,
Come on.
if you want me to clean this, I will.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, that's why it's plastic. Come on.
Hey, can I pull this?
Absolutely.
I'm
Pull
sorry.
your shirt down.
Hey,
You're fine. Come on.
I don't want. Hey,
What?
I'm sorry.
I know you're sorry.
Okay?
Okay?
Can I talk to you for a second?
Sure. Right
Alcohol
here.
is stupid.
Huh?
Alcohol is stupid.
I know alcohol's stupid. It's very stupid.
Yes, sir. Hey,
Huh?
I didn't mean any disrespect for you as a person.
I know. So I don't take it in I don't think that.
I know this is your job, but hey, if you need me to clean your car, well,
No.
but I did get scared.
I know.
I'm
Hop on
sorry.
in. Okay. Hop on in.
Yes, sir. Where do I go?
You're gonna go right around the corner. You're gonna have a seat on the bench.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
Right here. Yes. You're fine.
If you need me
Have
to
a
clean
seat.
your car, I
No.
will.
You're fine. It's rubber. It's plastic seats. There's a reason for
But
plastic
it's your
seats.
car.
It's plastic
I'm
seats.
stupid. What? What are you doing now? Why would you shove me down? You don't know the psychology.
I ain't doing nothing. Knock your shit.
That's abuse.
No, it ain't.
I'm used to that. My mom does that to me.
Don't even. Just
I want
knock
my
it
attorney.
off.
I want my attorney. That's abuse.
Once we get through the breathing process, you can call your attorney. I told you that before.
A mulher foi formalmente acusada de agressão e resistência à prisão. Ela teve que pagar uma fiança de $5.000 e foi sentenciada a um período de liberdade condicional. O que você achou dessa história? Compartilhe sua opinião nos comentários abaixo. E se você gostou desse vídeo, não se esqueça de deixar um like e se inscrever no canal para não perder mais nenhum vídeo como esse.